coastal estuaries, saltwater marshes, and swamps. Estuaries provide a transition from freshwater to saltwater. Animals depend on estuaries since the inflow of seawater and freshwater provide high levels of nutrients in both water column and sediment, thus making estuaries among the most productive natural habitats in the world. Estuaries are located around the world. The largest one in America is the Chesapeake Bay, surrounded by Virginia and Maryland off the Atlantic Ocean. Other notable estuaries are the River Nith in southwest Scotland and the Darwin Northern Territory in Australia. Plants are important for estuaries to thrive. Seagrass is important for the sediment buildup in estuaries. Their strong roots anchor into the sand, and the plants help stabilize shifting sediments during the tidal cycle. Another important plants are the mangroves. Mangroves produces special vertical breathing roots that take in air during low tides. This helps give oxygen to the marine life. Estuaries consist of many organisms. A few of the main ones are mudworms, since enormous amounts of mudworms live in estuaries mud. They live in permanent groves, feeding on organic matter. Mudworms are significant since they are an important food source for wading birds and fish. Migrating fish are also home to estuaries. Estuaries are vital to 17 native fish that migrate between fresh and salt water. They serve as gateways that the fish must pass to complete their life cycle. Many fish live in estuaries, moving in and out each day. Some seasonal victors that come through different estuaries are salmon, snapper, and flounder. They enter the estuary as immature fish and spend some months feeding in the rich, sheltered waters before heading back out to the sea. Like fish, birds are also very important to estuaries. Between the plants, fish, and other animal life, there is plenty for birds to eat. Many migratory birds, like the Canadian goose, use estuaries as resting and feeding places when they migrate. Long-legged birds, like the blue heron, are also common in estuaries because their long legs make it easy for them to walk around in the mud, and their bills make it easy for them to catch worms and crabs that also live in estuaries. Since there are so many organisms depending on estuaries, we should be concerned of the dangers that estuaries are in. Estuaries are in danger of pollution from upland areas, which often damages estuaries, and dams which block natural stream and river routes that cut off freshwater from estuaries. When this happens, the freshwater and saltwater balance is changed, and the estuary can be severely damaged. We need to try and protect our estuaries because they are also protecting us. The plants in estuaries help prevent shoreline erosion, and estuaries also protect inland areas from flooding and storm surges by absorbing the water before it reaches the upland area.